Hello, I'm Arpit Goyal from Berkowits Hair and Skin Clinics, and today I'm going to talk about what are the different types of hair patches and which one is best for you. Broadly speaking, there are 4 categories of hair patches: monofilament, lace, silk, and poly. We will deep dive into each and see which one suits which characteristics. The first category is monofilament hair patches. These are entry-level hair patches that start from 10,000 and go up till 15,000 rupees. As you can see, they have a mono lace in the middle surrounded by a PU border. The advantages of a monofilament hair patch are its long life and affordability. The disadvantages that it can look unnatural for certain hairstyles and it is heavy to wear. Now, who is it best suited for? It is best suited for people who wear hairstyles that covers their forehead. Any hairstyle where the hairline is not visible, this is a good patch to opt for. Number 2, hair patches made with lace. Lace is a very lightweight material. Each hair is individually knotted on this material to create a lace patch. The advantages of a lace patch are that it's extremely natural and all hairstyles are possible on it. The disadvantages that its life is lesser at 4 to 7 months and you cannot wear it with hair clipping. Next on our list are silk hair patches, or as they're popularly known, mirage hair patches. Mirage hair patches or silk hair patches are unique because they use 3 layers instead of a single layer of lace. They have 2 layers of lace followed by a layer of silk to hide hair knots. So now this gives a complete feeling of the hair scalp. The knots are not visible as compared to other hair patches. The biggest advantage of a mirage hair patch is how natural it looks. It replicates how the scalp looks by hiding every knot. It also has a decent long life. It will last as long as 8 months to 1.5 years depending on your maintenance. What are its disadvantages? It can be heavy to wear. It is not as lightweight as a lace or a poly unit. The last one on our list is poly hair patches, or how we like to call them as thin magic at Berkowits. They are made with a single very thin layer of polyurethane and each hair is either knotted or looped through them. Their biggest advantage, how lightweight they are, and they replicate your natural scalp color. The disadvantages, that it's very thin and which is why it will only last you 3 to 6 months. This is a digital microscope. Let's see how my shirt looks at 30x magnification. Oh wow. Now what's interesting is, let's see how these units look under this kind of magnification. First up, your filament hair units, monofilament hair units. We can clearly see a grid-like pattern of mono threads, and you can also see these hair knots. So by the way, I don't know if all of you know or not, but each hair is individually knotted on a hair patch. It's a handicraft, it's not machine made. Let's see how it looks from the top. Yep, that's your hair knots on a grid-like pattern. This grid-like pattern ensures a long life for the hair unit because it doesn't let the knots loose, plus it has a longer life. Let's see how a lace unit looks next. Yep, see how wider it is as compared to the filament unit? It's also thinner, much thinner, and it has a honeycomb pattern to give it strength. You can also see the hair knots here. Now let's see it from the top. Yep, those are your hair knots. Each hair knot is individually knotted on this lace. You can also see against my scalp how it is almost looking as natural and a part of my scalp. That's the benefit of a lace unit. Next up, let's see the silk unit or the mirage unit. Oh wow, this looks nothing like what we've seen before. Why is that? Because a mirage unit has actually 3 layers. This layer, the one that we are seeing under the microscope, has absolutely no knots. It's serving only one purpose: to give a smooth feeling on your scalp. But if we see it from the top, let's see how a mirage unit looks. Yep, there are no knots here. There's a silk base and you can see the hair coming out of it. The knots are actually under this, which is what gives it its natural scalp-like appearance. A mirage hair unit, when looked from the naked eye, will look like scalp. Last, we have our poly units. A poly unit, very simply, is just a polyurethane layer. Under the microscope, that's all you can see. You can see these knots are all inside a poly base. From the top also, if I was to show you, maybe you will see a few knots. Yep, you can see these knots from the top, but they are in a layer of poly. The biggest thing we need to know about hair patches is that durability and natural look do not go hand in hand. When you opt for durability, you sacrifice on your natural look a little bit. And that is what we'll see right now. We will see what are the disadvantages and advantages of each patch slightly in more detail so that you can figure out which one suits you best. First up, we have the monofilament unit. Like I said before, it is the most affordable unit that there is. Apart from some finishing issues, because this is obviously made from a cheaper factory, the biggest disadvantage of this hair unit is the fact that the base is visible from the front. So that means that you cannot have any pullback hairstyle because you will always see this white layer. But don't worry, there are ways to solve this. For example, we have a filament unit with a slightly net in front, like a 3-inch or a 4-inch net in front. What this will ensure now is that you can have your pullback hairstyle, your net, your hairline will look a lot more natural, and you will have that long life. But yes, this will still be thicker, this will still weigh more, this will feel slightly more uncomfortable than a lace or a poly unit. Talking about lace units, let's talk about the lace unit again. Now this is of course very lightweight, this is very natural looking. It can even perhaps be made more natural looking by bleaching the knots and ensuring that every hair knot is of a scalp's color. But what are its disadvantages? That lace eventually is a flat material. We are forcing it to be in the shape of a scalp, which is why all of these round threads are for. This is what it's actually doing. It's ensuring that the lace remains in the shape of the scalp. But yes, over time it might lose this shape, or because your lace is slightly thicker than a monofilament, it will also be more prone for hair loss. How do you solve this problem? How do you solve the problem that your lace might just go flat? Simple. You put a PU layer around it. So now this retains the shape of your scalp but becomes slightly thicker. Silk units or mirage units. So we have one. We have the lace in front, which gives it a very, very natural look. We have a silk base after the lace, so that now you know that this looks like a scalp. But one thing we can't solve for is how thick it is, because this is using 3 layers. Last, we have the poly units. Now these poly units can come in various thicknesses. We in fact also have poly units that are disposable. They will only last you a month. They're called paper poly units. There is nothing more natural looking than that. But however, for the Indian clientele, we generally opt for a thickness which lasts approximately 6 to 7 months. These poly units are great, they are thin, they stick to the scalp, do not have any bubbles, any wrinkles, but what you will end up sacrificing is breathability or ventilation. So every hair unit will have its advantages and disadvantages. It is up to you to figure out which one suits you best, which one suits your budget, and what do you prefer more, natural look or life? What are you bothered more about, your hairline or how thick your patch is? I hope you learned something new about hair patches today. There's a lot more coming from my end. We will have these videos regularly updated regarding hair patches, regarding hair bondings and different attachment methods. So stay tuned. Thank you guys.